Hi, my name is Kevin with Mattioni Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling. I'm sure you have plenty of questions about replacing your heating system, so let's visit some of the most asked questions we hear when helping customers like you. How long does a heating system typically last? The average life of a forced air heating system, such as a heat pump or a furnace, generally is about 12 to 15 years. If it's a boiler heating systems can usually last a little longer, probably about 15 to 20. If they're maintained well, we definitely can see them last well over 20 years. Is repair or replacement a better option for me? Well, there's a couple factors that generally will go into that. Depends on the age of the equipment. If it is at or beyond the expected lifespan of that equipment, it's probably a good idea to replace it. Another factor would be warranties. If your system is still under warranty, you can likely get most repairs at little to no cost to you. The other question is, how long do you plan on living in the home? If your system can last until you move, maybe you should keep it. If you will need to replace it before you plan on moving, it may be best to get ahead of it to possibly save money in the future. Should I replace my whole HVAC system all at the same time? There's a couple factors that go into that as well. Cost savings, labor savings, the fact that we can replace a whole system in a full day, where it takes half of that system a little over half a day to do. You're generally paying for 2 days of labor instead of one, so there is generally a lot more labor savings there. So in turn, you'll see a lot of savings in that department. The other thing is kind of the efficiency of the unit. The systems work together. Old system malfunctioning can have an effect on the new portion of the system. If they're not working hand in hand together and they don't match up properly, it might not give you the best results that you're looking for. Another part is the age of the other part. The other part on your system is working properly now, and it is the same life expectancy. There is a good chance that as you come about to that system running the next season, it might have issues, meaning a costly repair or a replacement, which then you're now a couple days without any heating or cooling, whatever that might be. So as far as you're comfortable, a lot of homeowners would prefer to get everything done all at once to save time, money, but also just their comfort and their happiness. What are the benefits of a new heating system? Efficiency. Systems are getting more and more efficient by the year. So even if you go with the standard efficiency model, it will likely be more efficient than your previous heating system, saving you money on energy costs. Warranty, security, and peace of mind. Every new system comes with a warranty that gives you peace of mind that nothing should go wrong. But if it does, your repairs should be covered. Comfort. A new system should do a better job of heating your home evenly, leading to a more comfortable experience for you. What is the cost of a heating system replacement? New boilers cost between $9,000 and $25,000, depending on how efficient you want that boiler to be. But our average homeowner finds a great boiler for them, generally between $12,000 and $16,000. Now, a new furnace, that can cost between $6,000 and $14,000. But our average homeowner finds a furnace that's great for them between $8,000 to $11,000. A new heat pump, that can cost between $6,000 to $25,000. Now, our average homeowner finds a heat pump that is great for them between $9,000 to $16,000. Do you have any more questions or want to schedule one of our HVAC experts to give you a quote? Give us a call at the number below, or schedule online at callmattioni.com, or check out our Learning Center to learn more about your home.